Hi, it's time for this week's Morning Mailbag, and I've got some exciting news. We've passed tax cuts, a promise that we made for hardworking taxpayers. We wanted to make sure that middle-class tax cuts went through, and we delivered on that promise. So in our district, 70% of the people currently use the standard deduction. While we've doubled the standard deduction and doubled the child tax credit, now it'll be over 90% of the people that will use those deductions. And you'll see about a $1,500 average savings for families throughout the valley. But we take that a step further. So the 10% that will, roughly 10% that will still itemize, you will have SALT, the $10,000 on state and local taxes. You also get rid of the alternative minimum tax, and so there will be a significant savings for that final 10% that itemize as well. But here's the great news. In the Central Valley, we continue to talk for years now about the lack of jobs, about getting people back to work. And under this plan, not only do we lower the corporate rate so that we can bring businesses back to our country that have left, but we lower the pass-through rate, meaning our small businesses, the 85% small businesses that we have across the country, as well as all of our family farms. We want to make sure that we're lowering that rate so they can reinvest back in their businesses, create more jobs, and pay higher wages. So some exciting things happening, but here's the last thing I would say on jobs. You know, we need to continue to export the great things that we grow and produce in the valley, and this bill will help us to do that as well. So some very exciting news on both cutting your tax rates. You're going to see this at the beginning of the year. Don't take my word for it. Look at your own paychecks and see how much money you're going to take home now. So very excited about this and want to wish you a Merry Christmas.